You may be surprised to know that Raymond Briggs, the brilliant British author, illustrator of two of the season's most beloved children's books, the 1973 classic Father Christmas and the 1978 mega hit The Snowman, was actually not a fan of Christmas. "I don't like the Christmas thing at all," he once said. He wasn't all that fond of children either. In fact, he once said, "I don't know that much about children. I try to avoid them whenever possible." Such an amazing irony. World famous for heartwarming children's holiday classics, Briggs described himself as a creative sociopath. Self-absorbed, impulsive, impatient, and intolerant. And yet his brilliant, sometimes silent storytelling and his enchanting, timeless colored pencil illustrations have drawn millions into the joys as well as the realities of life in ways that are powerful enough to move us grown-ups, but charming enough to enchant even the youngest child. Both The Snowman and Father Christmas have been made into award-winning animated films, and I strongly recommend them, as well as the children's book versions. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for a full lesson on drawing Father Christmas and hundreds of other videos.